Welcome to children. Today our topic is acid bases salts part 2. So in which topic is pH scale. What is pH scale? A scale for measuring hydrogen ion concentration in a solution is called pH scale. pH. H is hydrogen ion, P is potential. It is a German word. It means power. P stands for what? Potential. Potential equal to power. So mathematically it can be represented as pH equal to minus log concentration of H plus ion. So pH measures the hydrogen ion concentration in a solution. pH scale ranges from 0 to 14. pH scale ranges from 0 to 14. If pH is less than 7 కంటే తక్కువగా ఉంటే that is acidic. So pH is greater than 7, pH value 7 కంటే ఎక్కువ ఉంటే that is basic. pH equal to the 7 that is neutral. So this is about the pH scale. So importance of pH in everyday life. So first one is plants and animals are pH sensitive. pH in stopping tooth decay. pH in digestive system. pH of the soil. So one by one we learn. Plants and animals are pH sensitive. So we know the aquatic animals. What is meant by aquatic animals? The animals which are living in water. That is called aquatic animals. So these animals can survive only narrow range of pH. So if the pH is altered, the survival of aquatic animals becomes difficult. So in generally or in case acid rain flows into the river, its pH alters, pH changes, then the difficulty or survival of the animals becomes difficult. So what is meant by acid rain, sir? The rain which have pH less than 5.6, pH value less than 5.6, that is acidic rain. So this rain flows into the river, its pH will becomes lower. So automatically it will be effect of the survival of aquatic animals. Next one is stopping tooth decay. So tooth decay, when it is starts, pH of the mouth is lower than 5.5. So for this prevention we use the toothpaste. So what is the action of toothpaste? Toothpaste consisting basic substances. So these basic substances neutralize the acid in mouth. So then it prevents the tooth decay. Okay na children? Next, pH in digestive system. So we know the digestion process. So where it is occur, children? In stomach. So stomach produce the juice, gastric juice, that is the hydrochloric acid. This hydrochloric acid helps to the digestion of food without harming of the stomach. So during indigestion produce the excess acid. So for the relief we use the antacid tablets or antacid syrup. So what it contains are antacid syrups or tablets contain basic. So it neutralizes the acidic in stomach lo ఉన్న acid ను neutralizes. Then we can prevent the ulcer. So pH of the soil. We know the plants also require a specific pH range for healthy growth of plants. So for this we should find out the pH of the soil to require fertilizer to the healthy growth of the plants. So these are the important things. Next one is the salts. So generally we know common salt. Common salt is, it is also called as a table salt. So its formula is NaCl. It is called as sodium chloride. How can we get sodium chloride? Sodium chloride can get from the sea water. Okay, next one is sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide so can be obtained from the sodium chloride. So how can we get sodium hydroxide from the sodium chloride? By the electrolysis process. This is called chloroalkali process. Next one is the one of the important salt is bleaching powder. So bleaching powder formula is CaOCl2. It is called calcium oxychloride. So it can be prepared with calcium hydroxide and chlorine. CaOH taken 2 plus chlorine gives calcium oxychloride and water. Next, uses of bleaching powder. So bleaching powder, where we use bleaching cotton and linen in textile industry లో యూజ్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంటాయి. బ్లీచింగ్ వుడ్ పల్ప్ ఇన్ పేపర్ ఇండస్ట్రీలో వుడ్ పల్ప్ను బ్లీచ్ చేయడానికి యూజ్ చేస్తారు. అండ్ బ్లీచింగ్ వాష్డ్ క్లాత్స్ ఇన్ ల్యాండ్రీలో యూజ్ చేస్తుంటారు. ఆక్సిడైజింగ్ ఏజెంట్ ఇన్ మెనీ కెమికల్ ఇండస్ట్రీ. డిస్ఇన్ఫెక్టింగ్ డ్రింకింగ్ వాటర్ టు మేక్ ఇట్ ఫ్రీ ఫ్రమ్ జర్మ్స్ and as a reagent in the preparation of chloroform. These are the important uses. So next one is the baking soda. Baking soda formula is what? NaHCO3. It is called sodium. Na is sodium, H is hydrogen, CO3 is carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. Okay, how it is prepared? NaCl plus H2O plus CO2 plus NH3 gives NH4Cl plus NaSCO3. So important uses. Baking soda produces CO2 which rises through bubbling dough into cake or bread. This results cake and bread are smooth and spongy. So this baking powder or soda used in the bakery. So in bakery we can make cake and bread. So it becomes soft and spongy because of the carbon dioxide pass through it and becomes soft. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is also ingredient in antacid. Antacids relieve the acidity. It is also used as a soda acid in fire extinguishers. మంటల నార్పు యంత్రాల్లో కూడా యూజ్ చేస్తారు. ఇట్ యాక్ట్స్ యాజ్ ఎ మైల్డ్ యాంటీసెప్టిక్గా యూజ్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ వాషింగ్ సోడా is also called sodium carbonate. What is its formula? Na2CO3. So Na2CO3 exists as a 10H2O decahydrated గా ఉంటుంది. Sodium carbonate is used in the glass, soap, paper industries and also used in the manufacture of sodium compounds such as borax. గ్లాసెస్లో కూడా యూజ్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. సోడియం కార్బోనేట్ కెన్ బి యూజ్డ్ యాజ్ ఎ క్లీనింగ్ ఏజెంట్ ఇన్ డొమెస్టిక్ పర్పస్. ఇళ్ళల్లో కూడా క్లీనింగ్ ఏజెంట్గా యూజ్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది వాషింగ్ సోడాను. అండ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో యూజ్డ్ ఫర్ రిమూవింగ్ పర్మనెంట్ హార్డ్నెస్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్ను రిమూవ్ చేయడానికి యూజ్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంటుంది. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ ది వాటర్ ఆఫ్ క్రిస్టలైజేషన్. సో వాట్ ఈస్ వాటర్ ఆఫ్ క్రిస్టలైజేషన్? Fixed number of water molecules present in one formula unit of salt. For example, you take copper sulfate salt. It consisting fixed number of water molecules 5H2O. This is called water of crystallization. So one more is sodium carbonate, Na2CO3 10H2O. So these are all called water of crystallization. One formula unit of salt consisting fixed number of water molecule. So next important one is the plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris. What is the formula of plaster of Paris? CaSO4 of H2O. This is called calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Calcium sulfate hemihydrate. It absorbs the 1.5 water molecule, converting into the calcium sulfate 2H2O. This calcium sulfate 2H2O is also called gypsum. This is called CaSO4 of H2O is called POP, plaster of Paris. POP is converting into gypsum by absorbing 1.5 water molecule. Okay na children? So plaster of Paris. It is used by the doctors for supporting fractured bones in right position. So fracture అయిన బోన్స్కు ఈ పిఓపిని యూజ్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంటుంది. అండ్ మేకింగ్ టాయ్స్, బొమ్మల తయారీలో, and making materials for decoration and making surfaces smooth in houses. So these are the important uses. Children, please watch my channel and subscribe. So please follow updates. So next class, part 3, acids, bases and salts. Thank you.